Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. Mo, and I am here to give you guys just some insight about putting yourself first. I know many of you have families and friends and loved ones that rely heavily on you, not to mention a very, very stressful job that again rely heavily on you. But I want you to start thinking along the lines that if by chance you were no longer here and your family, your friends, your jobs, everyone would have to cope and everyone would definitely have to move on. So don't make yourself a hero by thinking that you have to put everyone before you. It is perfectly okay to put yourself first and make those decisions that are good for you first, and then take care of those responsibilities that you have after you are doing good, after you've made sure that your mental health is intact. You've made sure that your physical health is along the healthy pathway. And then you can actually lend a hand to help other people. But just remember that if you are unhealthy, those unhealthy behaviors will negatively impact everything that you do going forward. So please, by all means, make it your priority to make you a priority, because that is what it's going to take in order to, one, feel good about yourself once everyone has used you for whatever need or whatever capacity they needed you for. When you place yourself first, you feel good when you are able to help others, even if they don't reciprocate it. But it's so important that you treat yourself really good. Now, I'm going to be providing in subsequent videos different opportunities for you to make sure that you're a priority. For those of you that may have a challenge, but you can start off by saying to yourself on a daily basis that I am good enough to be my number one priority. I'm not saying in any way not to love your spouse and your children and your family and your friends. I'm saying, guys, you deserve to be healthy mentally as well as physically. You deserve to be happy. It's great to be able to provide happiness to other people, but it starts with you. And happiness within is so important. So guys, I want you to start off today by making yourself a priority, or at least identifying the importance of being a priority first. And I can assure you that as a priority to yourself, everything and everyone around you will be positively impacted because you are nurturing yourself and you're getting the needs met, getting your needs met, and you're not having to rely on other people to get you there. I'm Dr. Mo. I hope that this has been helpful for you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.